Vivo V15 Pro is coming with a bunch of new upgrades in design and hardware compared to the V11 Pro. We already know that the phone will be the world's first to bring a 32MP selfie camera that will pop out from the top. Much like the Vivo Nex, the V15 Pro now has a dedicated landing page on Amazon India that confirms a few more details, including a triple camera system on the back with a primary 48MP sensor and an in-display fingerprint sensor. And if renders and promo videos weren't enough, we now have a live image of the V15 Pro as well. The rear panel is likely going to be glass or glass-like, and the blue color pictured looks deeper and darker compared to the blue we have seen in renders and the promo video. We can also clearly see the AI triple camera setup in a strip on the top left side, and the pop-up selfie camera. The triple camera system on the back will see a 48MP primary sensor, an 8MP secondary camera and a 2F time-of-flight camera for 3D depth mapping. It seems the primary camera will use pixel binning to offer a large 1.6 micron pixel, and an effective output of 12MP. Apart from the camera module and the Vivo logo, the rear panel looks clean and glossy. As mentioned, the phone will not get a physical fingerprint sensor but an in-display sensor, which is Vivo's go-to choice now. Recently, a full spec sheet was spotted online, revealing pretty much everything else about the Vivo V15 Pro. It seems the phone may sport a 6.39-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, and will be powered by a Snapdragon 675 chipset. Vivo may offer the device with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone is also said to house a 3700 mAh battery. The Vivo V15 Pro is rumored to cost around 30,000 rupees in India, which would be a few notches higher than the V11 Pro, which was launched in the country at 25,990 rupees. The V15 Pro is set to launch on February 20th, where the company is expected to announce the pricing and availability details. Stay tuned with Droid Crunch. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified about the latest tech news and amazing tech videos.